Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I'm a South African abuza umbuzo owodwa. Athi nizosondla yini? Are you going to take care of us? Uma nithi asixoshe my friend. Are you going to feed us if you are chasing away abo my friend? This is the question ama-lazy South Africans awubuzayo. Just imagine. Ihlazo. Umbuzo obuzwa umuntu ongakhubazekile, umuntu ongekho crippled, umuntu onormal. Balithanishile igama lethu abantu bakithi eSouth Africa. Ayi ngiyabonga mina. Let's listen to them, guys.
Nizosondla yini?
Mana imake ngana kwethu baba
Asitshontshe sifuna asithathe lutho uyavitorayiza avulweni khona kuphela akutshontsha senze lutho abona abadala
uvuna la mazaza yakho uyawavuna uyawavuna nabangagcwelisi ekhaya uyawavuna.
So guys, before we continue, let me clarify some few things. So this family, this household, irentise my friend i-tuck shop eyadini. So imagine manje sifikile iyabatshela ukuthi asisafuni ama-small businesses, i-local economy ukuthi iranwe ama-foreign nationals. These are small businesses, yithina as South Africans esivumelekile ukuthi siranele ama-businesses. Then bathi nina as umndeni inina enizorana this tuck shop, allow my friend ukuthi ahambe because vele akavumelekile ukuthi arane this tuck shop. But no, my friend is not going anywhere. We want my friend to run this shop, not us. Remember ukuthi ivideo engifakile izolo ukuthi uphakela umthakathi was offering them ukuthi sizonifakela istoko, allow my friend to go, thina sizonifakela istoko, sonlekelela, will support you ukuthi niqhubeke nesitolo. But no, asifuni. Kusho ukuthi yonke lento eshoyo ukuthi asifuni kwenza lutho, we are lazy and all this. Kusho ukuthi bayaprove bona kulabantu ukuthi yes, it's true. We don't want to do anything for ourselves. And umbuzo engibuzile kule video ngifakile before ukuthi if labantu decide ukuthi bevele bevuke one day bethi we are all going back to our countries, kuzoyenzakalani kulabantu abangafuna ukuzenzela lutho base South Africa? Impilo yabo izoma kusho ukuthi what's going to happen to their lives? What's going to happen to their future? The future of their children? How Siam?
Uthi-ke ufuna ubulungisa umphakathi wase-Agwadini eRichards Bay nyakatho nesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal ngokubulawa kosomabhizinisi okudabuka ezweni lase-Ethiopia obenesitolo kule ndawo esesebenzeke iminyaka engaphezulu kweyisithupha. uMamush udutshulwe wabulawa esitolo sakhe ngomsombuluko ebusuku ngabantu abangaziwa washonela khona lapho. Umphakathi wakule ndawo uthi-ke uMamush besefana nomunye wabo njengoba-ke ubelu usizo olukhulu emphakathini. Bakusho lokhu-ke kade benenkonzo yokukhanyisa amakhandlela okumhlonipha. Naphezulu kwamakhaza beshubisa umkandla nemvula ebina amalungu omphakathi ase-Agwadini abephuma ngobuningi bawo kezokhanyisa amakhandlela kulandela ukubulawa kosomabhizinisi wendawo uMamush. Lo somabhizinisi odabuka ezweni lase-Ethiopia kubukwa ukuthi-ke wadutshulwa washona eduze kwesitolo sakhe ngomsombuluko ebusuku nokuyisigameko esenzeka ngehora le-10 ebusuku. uWinexulu obesebenzela uMamush uthi ngaphambi kwalesi sigameko uMamush wamcela ukuba kahambe njengoba ibhizinisi kwasekuthulekile ngekho umuntu ofikayo. Uthi-ke ngakapheli isikhathi singakanani ehambile wezwa-ke ukuqhuma kwesibhamu.
The next thing at night he said, "Winnie, go. It's late and there's no busy in the shop." So I went home. The next thing, in a few minutes, I hear gunshots. My Mamush is gone just like that. Mamush was a humble person. like ubenza bonke abantu bebe happy uma mushibunge kumthole ekuyimudi ecasukile only if ama customer mangabe emsukela but ubezama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi kuphela u2 minutes use right.
Amalungu omphakathi ebebonakala ukuthi adiniwe ngalesi senzo. Athi-ke lezi zenzo ziyabadina kakhulu njengoba kubulawa abantu abangenacala. Bathi uMamosh ubesefana nomunye wabo.
Mina, I just want to ask one question ukuthi when we lost so many children because of amaspaza shop awo ama-Ethiopians, sake sawubona umphakathi wase-South Africa uba serious ngale ndlela? Sake sawubona umphakathi wase-South Africa ulayitha amakhandlela for those innocent souls ezathathwa ama-Ethiopians? Yilowo nje umbuzo mina engizibuza wona ukuthi ama-South Africa kahle kahle abantu abanjani? Why siba ama-hypocrites ngale ndlela as-South Africans? Why singathandani? Asizweli even abantu bakithi abalahlekelwe yingane, asizweli even eMpumalanga. It's not so long ago eMpumalanga kulahleke umalume ona 25 nomshana ona 2 years. Asikaze sizwe kodwa ama-South Africans eba concerned about all those things. Siyangcwaba almost every month eSouth Africa because of what is happening in those tuck shops. They are raping girls. Babamba ingane ezincane balaleni nasi. Akaze size sibone ama-South Africans eba this serious elayitha amakhandlela for those innocent souls, ingane egreshwa ilaba bantu. Even if lama-Ethiopians njengaleli lisejele elagrape ingane, asikaze siwabona ama-South Africans edoyiza ephethe amakhandlela enza zonke lezi zinto for that innocent soul odestroyekelwe i-future yakhe yena ngokuthi azogreshwa umuntu esingamazi nokuthi unazifo zini, ufike enazifo zini kule country. Angeke sisaye kuyihlaza, and it's very difficult for us ukuthi siphume kulento yokuthi abantu basibize ngezilima, basibize ngamamumu, basibize ngayo yonke into. It's very difficult for us ukuthi siphume kuleyo nto ngoba vele sinjalo. Kufana nayo lento yokuthi si-lazy, siyayibona nathi ukuthi indlela labantu abathanisha ngayo igama lethu. Angeke uzublame labantu. You can't blame these people who are calling us lazy, who are calling us mumus and all this, because of these people, because of these South Africans who are tarnishing the name of all South Africans all over the world. Ukuthi sibizwe ngawo wonke inhlobo yamagama. Hayi guys, iyanyanyisa shame lento. Asisho ukuthi abantu abazondo, asisho ukuthi ama-Africans awazondo eSouth Africa, but indlela okwenzeka ngayo labantu abawona bona ama-hypocrites. Izinto bazisho zinjengoba zinjalo. You can go to Zimbabwe, you can go to Ghana, you can go to anywhere. Bakhuluma ba straightforward and angeke beze bencetheza. Even if you leave this country today, you go to Ethiopia to open a tuck shop there, if the government will allow you, because I don't even think ukuthi there's any country in this world enga allow i-foreign ukuthi leyovula ama-tuck shops nama-baba shop, because those businesses, those small businesses are reserved for ama-locals. Okay, let's assume ukuthi ugovernment wase-Ethiopia uyakuvumela ukuthi you can run that tuck shop in their country. Will Ethiopians come to support you and leave their brothers who are running tuck shops in Ethiopia to come and support you? But thina as South Africans siyabayeka bafowethu, we leave our own brothers and sisters who are owning tuck shops run to support ama-Ethiopians, Bangladeshis, abantu esingabazi. Even if a South African is having a shop and then the next door neighbor is an Ethiopian or Bangladesh, you will leave your fellow citizen and go to that Bangladesh and support him. Why are we like that? I see ihlazo shame.
Bathi uMamosh ubesefana nomunye wabo njengoba besebenza ngokuzikhandla futhi ke hlale sizwe umphakathi, ingakho befuna ukuthi abenzi bobubi baboshwe bajeziswe.
Umphakathi wase-Aquadene mama into eyenzekela asikho happy ngawo, yabona sicasukile and we want justice for uMamosh, yabo, because asikho happy. Siyacela ukuthi ikhansela lomphakathi lento lisukumele, yabo, uma kungakwenzi lokho singabantu bale Aquadene sizosukumela thina, and uma sakwenzeka lokho it won't be nice.
And we want justice for Mamush. In fact, we want justice for Aquadene because we're tired of being quiet when violence happens in our community. Justice is what we need.
Ikhansela lendawo lisigxekelele lesisigameko lathi ubugebengu obunjena abunakuvunyelwa emphakathini.
This community has been shaken by the senseless act which taken place in terms of the violence which happened here last night, and the loss of a businessman. Apart from being a businessman, he's been a good member of the community. As you'll notice, his kindness and respect. By looking at the number of people out here, it meant a lot to the community out here, and that is why, although he's not from here, he's an Ethiopian, but at the same time he had papers to be in the country and he had proper documents to be and to running the shop here as well.
So did you notice ukuthi all of them are mentioning ukuthi uMamosh was helping the community? That is what we are good at, to praise them for helping us, because we cannot do anything for ourselves. That is a problem with some of us South Africans. Even the youth, people who are supposed to be owning that shop, They are fighting tooth and nails for uMamushi. Hayi silithwele idombolo patriots.
Sanibona. Yebo, niyaphila. Niyazi ukuthi kufanele nivale namhlanje ngikhulume nani izolo, ngikhulume nengane lila izolo. Alo. Again, because you can't own a sponsor shop in South Africa. By law, you can't own a sponsor shop.
By law?
By law, you can't. Constitutionally, you can't.
What act?
Do you want to challenge me?
No, I don't want to challenge you.
Yeah.
I'm asking.
So please, I
have a question for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Do you know South African acts?
I know some of them.
Which one do you know?
I don't want to explain.
Yeah. So you can't ask me as a South African. That's disrespect. You can't ask me.
I didn't disrespect
No.
you.
I'm telling you, you can't ask me about my South African constitution. You can't ask me about my acts. Because this is my country, it's not your country. You can't.
I know.
Yeah. So you can't. It's this. I'm telling you, I'm not fighting with you. I'm telling you nicely. You can't ask me about the acts of South Africa because you are not a South African.
I have a right. I'm a refugee here.
Okay, so you can't.
I have a right to ask and do.
Okay.
I respect the law of South Africa,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I have to go by the law instruction.
Okay.
So
Angithi niyabona ukuthi ugovernment wethu sebadelelise kanjani. These are the same people esibakhalelayo uma befile. Sikhala ukudlula ukukhalela abantwana bethu ababulawa yibona. You can hear ukuthi uRamaphosa or uMalema ukhuluma through this Ethiopian. And uzolizwa ukuthi lidelela kanjani. Lithi lizovala if ugovernment ethi livali. Angithi uyabona ukuthi uyena ugovernment obanika this power and authority. No guys, we have to do some things insizwa. Wherever you are guys, ngeke. Asikwazi ukubukelela lento. If you watch the video I posted yesterday morning, ushilo uphakela umthakathi wathi labantu sebe ready for impi.
So if law says I must close, I'm gonna close.
Okay.
You are not the law, right?
Who?
You.
I'm not the law.
Yeah.
I'm from here, Nongoma. Where are you
You
from?
are from Nongoma, but you are not from government or.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My brother, don't do what you are doing.
I'm not doing anything.
Hello.
Right?
Hello. Don't do what you are
Angilo
doing.
now.
No, don't
I
do
can't
what,
speak Zulu. If you
don't do what you are doing.
I'm not doing anything.
I'm
wrong.
telling you, you can't own a spaza shop. And if you don't know that, go and ask your embassy.
If
You
government
can't.
says I must close the
I pay
I'll
tax.
close.
I pay tax.
I pay also tax.
I pay
got
tax.
all invoices. I can't show
I
you.
pay. No, I'm not talking about invoices. I'm paying tax.
I'm paying also-
tax as a
I'm
South
paying
African.
also-
So you want to push this?
No, I don't want to push this.
Close the shop.
Why?
Because
Why
I'm
should I?
saying that.
Why should I
Close the shop because I'm saying that. Tell them come over to store. No. Come on. Abanye abantu abazofika la abezokhuluma nje ngani phela ngibale lento le. Wensizwa musana ukuzeya ningamadoda la musana ukuzeya musana ukuzeya ngathi ngabantu bakini wena nayizolo njalo ukuthuka abantu zokushaya ke manje wena uyazwana wena ungwala kwaNongoma uyazi ngizokushaya nje engizoyenza kuwena ngizokushaya awukwazi ukuthuka abantu bakini wena uyisilima kanti hawu nayizolo ubudelela abantu bakini namanje udelela abantu bani bazokwenzana ubheke ngakuphi umuzwa kuba laba abantu babe ngahle manje behamba usale nabantu bakini nje ubathuka nje akusibo dadewenu laba akubona odadewenu ngizokusakaza ngempama mina moyisilima ngikutshela vala lento uphume la okokuqala bakusebenzisa ugqoko phakathi even by Labor Relations Act you can't work like this uzothuka abantu bakini ekubeni kuwena osenkingeni wena osenkingeni lapha ubona vala lento yazi ukuthi ngizothatha umshini ngishisele lento lena le ngizothatha umshini ngishisele lento and don't open this door you must ask the other guys for South African acts. You mustn't ask me. I'm not like the other guys. I'm the man. I'm umdidiyeli walelizwe mina. Yes. So you don't do that to me. You can do to all these drunkards and all these people who play these games. I don't play games. I came here to you with the respect. South Africa, you can't own a spaza shop. And if you think you can push it, you can push it. Then we'll talk.
Imagine uzodelelwa i-foreigner from Ethiopia ezweni lakho, kwi-village yakho, kwi-town yakho. Ama-Ethiopians azodelela uphakela umthakathi kwi-town yakhe kwaNongoma. Just imagine why, because ugovernment ubanikile i-authority ne-power yokuthi benze lezi abazenzayo. Bakhulume ngale ndlela abakhuluma ngayo njengamanje. Yo guys, sinawo ama-patriotic parties eSouth Africa kanti yini vele? What do we want as South Africans? Cinema patriotic parties in this country. Why can't we vote for them and free ourselves from this bondage? Why, guys? Why? No, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.